The first part is addition reaction. The addition reaction is an organic chemical reaction. It occurs in unsaturated substances with double bonds or triple bonds. Two or more molecules interact with each other and produce a larger single compound. This is the example of addition reaction, the reaction that occurs between ethylene and hydrogen. We can see that ethylene has carbon-carbon double bonds, which can break one of the double bonds and then add to a hydrogen molecule to produce the ethane molecules. The reaction occurs on unsaturated bonds. Unstable covalent bonds in unsaturated bonds are broken. Then, unsaturated atoms bind to other atoms or groups of atoms in covalent bonds and finally produce only one product. It can be determined that this is an addition reaction. The second part is elimination reaction. Elimination reaction refers to the reaction of an organic compound molecule with other substances. After the reaction, loss part of the atoms and the molecules that being reacted will produce multiple bonds. In fact, the elimination reaction is a type of reaction that converts saturated compounds into unsaturated compounds. Elimination reaction usually takes place due to the action of acid and bases or the action of metals. It can also happen through the process of heating at high temperatures. Then is the example. The reaction of chloroethane and sodium hydroxide under heating conditions. Chloroethane is saturated with no double bonds and no triple bonds in it. After heating with sodium hydroxide, the product ethylene is generated. It is unsaturated because of the double bonds. The elimination reaction changes the compound from saturated to unsaturated. The third part is substitution reaction. Substitution reaction is a reaction in which one or more atoms that replace another atom or group of atoms in molecule. Substitution reaction is generally an organic chemical reaction, different from the displacement reaction. There are not necessarily pure elements participating or forming in the substitution reaction, and the progress of substitution reaction is greatly affected by temperature, light, and catalyst. There is an example. Methane reacts with chlorine under illumination conditions. After reaction, generate chloromethane and hydrogen chloride. In this reaction, chlorine replaces a hydrogen atom in the molecule to form chloromethane and hydrogen chloride.